So en route, the perfect place. Yeah. So en route, the perfect place. I'm going to try and capture a little bit of what I'm calling as eye breathing. Okay. Now, this would be warm up to it because how we understand how to take care of our eyes is different stages of development. So we will begin with paying attention to the ears, and then from the ears we come to the eyes because we have two ears and two eyes. So it becomes easier to pay attention to left and right sides. So we're not leaving one versus the other, yeah? So otherwise we have the idea of jatayu. One is moving and one is okay, so you don't want that seesaw. Okay, so I invite you to bring your attention to the left and right sides of your ears and pay attention to the warmth in your ears, yeah? By which you can locate where are your ears, yeah? By your sensory feeling, from the sensory experience of the skin of your ears. And this is important because the ears are almost in the middle between the front and back side of your head, yeah? So locating this position is important because then it becomes easier for you to have a sense of a midline, yeah, between the front and back, between up and down, because this is about here, somewhere in between the size of your head, yeah, middle. This is like a teapot handle, and then you have your nose like the teapots, yeah, that way. Now, so it's kind of like a sense of orientation, and then from there, bring your attention a little to your cheek. So this is the front part of the teapot versus the back, with your ears as a handle, okay? So this gives you a certain orientation between left and right, up and down, front and back, yeah, a little bit. And this is good for developing your common sense, yeah? Because oftentimes our directions, say when we are traveling, when we are walking on our vehicles, our sense of direction gets a little, yeah? Because you have too many things to pay attention to. So a sense of orientation of which is east, west, north, south, up, down, gives you a certain orientation. It's like a compass. You know, you need, when you have the center of direction, then your nerves are less jangled, yeah? And you're not having to deal with too much of information because there's something very simple about, oh, this is right, this is left, this is front, this is back, this is up, down. Everything else may be in different levels of order or whatnot. Too much of information going on, but there are some simple things which you can hold on to. So there's something predictable about this that is just, it's just there, right, left, front, back, and where is the middle? Your ears, midline between front, back, up, down, yeah. Okay, so on that awareness in terms of direction, common sense becomes much more easier. You're dealing with less stress. There's something simple about this. Left and right, front, back, center, yeah? And you're feeling it. You don't have to think it. That takes a little more less stress to just feel it. It's not in words. It's something to feel, yeah? Because sometimes words could be heavy. What does it mean? Which direction is it going? All kinds of things, yeah? You have to think a lot with words. With just feeling, it's just, oh, it's there, it's not there. It's just like on, off. It's there or not there. You can feel it or not feel it. It's something simple about it. Now, on that note, I invite you to bring your attention to the front of your ears, left and right sides, yeah, to your cheek, and feel the softness of your cheek. And from your ability to feel the softness of your cheek, bring your attention to where your eyes may be. Okay? Now, your eyes may feel tense or not. Left eyeball, right eyeball. Yeah? You may or may not be able to feel both at once or not. Okay, you may or may not be able to feel. But you may be able to notice warmth, hot, cold, warmth, tension. Your eyeballs may be tense that you want to just close and, just have a little moment, or you just, yeah. Sometimes it's tense from so many things that you see, lots of images and many, yeah. Say if you have glaucoma, then there will be more tension, for example, yeah. So you're more likely to pay attention to the eyeballs because you're tense. Or not. So it not necessarily be a disease condition. It could just be you've been thinking a lot. Maybe you should just close your eyes for a bit and then just rest a bit. Maybe as simple as that.